Welcome back to Odom Homestead. I know we ain't did much harvesting videos this year, but it's the end of the season. Let me show y'all what I'm still harvesting and show y'all this drought we're going through right now. A lot of stuff right here is dying back because we ain't had a rain in a good almost 2 months. Sky looking kind of dark today, so it's like a 20 or 30% chance rain today, like a 40% chance, 30% chance tomorrow, and I think like a 40% is the best chance we're supposed to have to Friday. So pray, cross your fingers that we get some rain because everything around here is dry and it's dropping leaves left and right. It's hard to keep everything watered. So let me show y'all what I'm harvesting and show y'all a little bit of this drought we're going through. First, we'll go ahead and get this okra. You know, it's giving about every day. I'm watering, keeping the annual garden and my figs watered. And so I can still collect the harvest. Some of them you can snap right off, some of them you can't. I've been keeping these sprayed down with water every day too because it got ants on them like crazy. Ants love this okra. I know they help pollinate, but they also carry aphids. They form aphids and scale and all kind of stuff. You can't tell if they really a pollinator, a friend, or a foe. So that's the okra we just picked right there. Not many, but I got number 2 plants. Picking that much about every day or every other day. So yeah, can't complain about that. One thing about these Cayennes, they've been giving like crazy. First year growing these two, and they're done amazing. Just made some cayenne pepper flakes yesterday. Dehydrated some, turned them into some flakes. We utilize everything we grow here. Everything we grow, we eat. We don't eat it, we don't grow it. This little bitty cayenne pepper, I mean, it's been giving all kind of peppers. Cayenne, I mean a jalapeno. None of them's ready yet, but it's been giving a lot. That's our harvest so far. I really want to take a lot of these tomato plants out, but I think I'm going to leave them. Probably take out a few. It's not doing too hot. Clean up this area real quick. It is looking a mess. I see some fruit right here. Eggs one. My mater. We've got a warm worm somewhere. It might be the one I killed yesterday. I have to get some of these tomatoes tied back up. They have failed. Yeah, we're gonna go through here and clean some of this up. I don't even know where to start, y'all. Some of these things so tall now, it's unreal. We're gonna go check for damage, see if we find any hornworms, cut out any dead branches. Any suckers. Seems like these San Marcelo is doing a lot better now. I just cut some blooms off that one, y'all. Y'all see that? Really need to take this little one out, but it's got tomatoes on it, so it's kind of hard for me to lose the tomatoes. That's one that's small. I'll get in there and I'll get them stuff out. This one got attacked by a hornworm. Really thinking about pulling it. I think I'll wait for now. It just got maggots on it. With the front row, got my trimming and pruning, and I'll go to the back row. Some of them little ones back down and pull out for sure. It's all harvest. Got some okra, got maters, cayenne peppers. Yeah, we're gonna have to go up and get some of this. But you can see what's thriving. This Barbados cherry. These got cherries coming everywhere. She is loving life. She is loving life. My wheat, Nagami kumquat, since I redid it, it's dropped most of its leaves. But it's still, I had to take a bunch of kumquats off, but it still got so many kumquats, it's unreal. Even my pink guava that's flowering, it's taking damage. And I'm watering it. But it's nothing like Mother Nature's water. I haven't watered today because it's just too hot and I'm just getting home from work. But I'll get that water back in. Nice if it don't rain. You still got guava, it still ain't ripened. It's dropped more, but still hard. See, one of my flower buds fell off there. This one's still there for now. I don't know if we got pollinated or not. Got a few more at the top. Some over here. White guava hasn't, the flower buds hasn't popped open yet. You can see the sky. Look like we're gonna get some rain. I hear a little thunder in the background too, so y'all cross y'all fingers for me. Pray to the boy get some rain. We need it, man. Let me show you some of the damage the lack of rain has done. Look at my blueberries. You see my pears. Look at the yard. Straighten that up. Look at the yard. You can see some of the yellowing of the apple trees and stuff over there. Yeah, let's get back to harvesting. I'll show y'all a little bit more of the damage later. This drought. Yeah, look at my Mongolian pear. All my pears. In the front yard. Yeah. They got some rain yesterday for about a couple of hours. Nice little shower. I know the plants is loving it. They're loving it. They're happy this morning. We harvested all this okra yesterday. And we still got some today. These okras are really giving. And just more picker okra for the grandkids. Yeah. All these melons is loving some of that rain too. They're probably getting tired of that unnatural water. Look at the blueberries, hey. Maybe hopefully they'll bounce back. But yeah, that's how things is looking. Starting to like these San Marcellos a little bit more. They doing a little bit better. They ain't splitting as much. So maybe it's just time of the year. I don't know. First time I grew them. You know, you see stuff like that, looks like little poop. Probably a hornworm somewhere. And I did cut a hornworm off of this one. So that's where it came from. You know, these cabbage I put up in here, some of them is looking pretty good since we got that rain, some of them not. I'll have to resow some more. Still waiting to see if these grapes are actually gonna ripen in time. Yeah. This blackberry's gotta go. This Ronde Bordeaux, she gotta be cut back a lot. She is growing like Ronde Bordeaux, Violet Day Bordeaux. Growing like crazy. So is this Texas Everbearing. Italian, she always just popping like crazy. Always on and popping. Strawberry Vert has grown pretty good this year. Ronde Bordeaux has grown pretty good. This right here is that LSU Purple. It was looking pretty good until the other day. Then all this drought, it just took some damage. Really impressed with this Ashia Green I put here too. Or Green Ashia, how you want to say it. Yeah. Now this blackberry's gotta go. It's in my way, gotta be gone. Violet, she just putting on all kind of figs now. Yeah, still waiting to see if they're gonna actually ripen in time. These few at the top, maybe so, pretty soon. Well, that's a pretty big one right there. Pretty big one. Dwarf Everbearing mulberries, looking pretty good. Took some damage from all that dryness, but yeah, bananas took a lot of damage from the dryness, but they still looking pretty good. That palish yellow though, I mean a palish green, not as bright as green as they usually are. Yeah, but we're gonna keep putting in work. Keep collecting our groceries. That's what it's about. I show you all this. I show you the harvest just to let you know. Never give up. Better days are coming. Better days are coming no matter what. Just give you out. Keep growing. Keep growing. Keep growing. No matter what setback, what dies, keep pushing forward. I am, because growing is my passion. Y'all stay blessed.